What's up? This water tastes a little weird. Hey everyone, so if you guys didn't know, Shib is at a crucial support line right now, so it's great that I'm going live right now so we can get some real up-to-date stuff. But Samuel G says, is it GG with Shiba? We're at a support line, man. We are at a support line. We're going to be going over all that today. How you doing, Lone Wolf? But yeah, we're going to be going over all this today. I'll be answering all your guys' questions, as many as you guys have. But yeah, people still think Robinhood is going to list this week or anytime soon. So the Robinhood news is not that it's getting listed on Shib. That they just talked about Shib on their Instagram. That's why I've named the live stream that, if you guys are wondering. We'll be going over that in a second, though. Let's go see my family. What's up, Mark Santos? It hit 49, then it went straight up to 58. Pretty sure it's at 60. The lowest I saw it hit was 58 on TradingView. I don't know. Make sure you guys leave a like. Oh, in seconds? Yeah, sometimes that happens and it doesn't register on, like, say, TradingView. Remember, that's why we use candlesticks. Candlesticks is more indicative of what happens. But yeah, so what happened? Why big dip? All right, let's get into it. Let's honestly get into it. I ain't got no questions. Let's buy some more Shiba. Respect. Okay, so here we go. You see right here, this is a crucial line that we're actually very close to be breaking right now with Shiba, is the 60 level. This is like the support line that we've bounced off 4 different times. We've talked about it a lot in different videos and live streams. However, we are close to breaking this line, and it's breaking it right now. We're going to need to see one more candle here, and then we might be breaking support and moving on to the next support, which would probably be around the 49, which would obviously not be good for Shiba Inu Coin and people's investments. However, we are at a 27 RSI. Now you might be wondering what happened. Well, public does give like news articles, and apparently a crypto investor abruptly moves $2 billion Shiba Inu fortune. Here's where Shiba is at now, so we'll go over that for a second. This is from the Daily Hodl. So yeah, basically a crypto investor whose early purchase of Shiba Inu Coin made waves is now sending their tokens into new wallets. However, it was just said that it was sent into 4 different wallets. So yeah, at the time of this writing, the total value of the transactions is 2.63 billion, and the original address now holds 30 billion Shib, worth around 1.86 billion, trillion Shib. But yeah, basically he just moved. The thing is he just moved these into different wallets, so he didn't actually sell them, I believe. Bro, I bought 7 million USD worth of Shib. Is it going to pump back up again? That is pretty crazy. I hope you're rich. But I mean, that's why we never tell anyone to buy. However, I think it'll go back up. We are at a support line. So basically, this is the reason we use candles. Someone said earlier that it went down to 49 at one point. I think that's what someone said. And what's it called? But however, it just bounced right back up to 58. Now, if the candle goes below our support line at 60, that's where, we begin to panic a little bit. And we're literally right there. We're going below it right now. We'll see if this candle, just stops here and goes back up. But I had said in my video earlier today, the overall trend does show us retreating to the support line, and here we are at the support line. So hopefully, we stop the hemorrhaging here. But yeah. Yeah, did you buy 7 million Shib coins or $7 million worth? Because that'd be absolutely crazy. All right, make sure you guys leave a like on the stream, so we can get some more people in here and we can talk about Shiba Inu Coin some more. Yeah, so it's looking like this candle is trying to get below the support line. If it does, the next support line I see is probably at the 50, which would obviously lead to about 12%, or even a little bit more in losses. But I just don't see us going below 50. But I mean, even if we do, that wouldn't be good. Facile is all cap. Facile, I'm not saying you're all cap. I was just reading the comment. That's absolutely crazy that you have $7 million worth of sheep. I hope you have a ton of money. Yeah, I would never put more than 10% of my net worth in a single asset, let alone say like all of it or something of that nature. So yeah, the reason. Let's see. This could just be a technical play. I'm not really seeing anything that would lead me to believe that something bad happened with Shib. Coinbase adds new support for new Shiba Inu trading pairs. Yeah, I'm just seeing normal stuff. Like literally, I was going to talk about this all today. Is Robinhood literally said a cryptocurrency is only as strong as its community. Elon Musk wants it to be. The number of Shib comments, and then they go on to talk about some other stuff. So that was what I was going to talk about in today's live stream. But now it's like just absolutely crashing. So this is why we have support and resistance lines. Just because I'm bullish on it doesn't mean it's going to go past its resistance line. When it went all-time high, I made $5 million USD too. That's what's up. Burn Shiba 300 likes. Would burning Shiba do more right now, or would just buying Shiba do more? I'll put $50 into Shiba if we get 100 to 100 likes. Whenever we hit 100 likes, I'll put $50 in Shiba. So I'll prepare to do that now. Guys, remember, me and Kyle aren't rich, so we can't just be putting like $1,000 into Shiba every live stream. But I'll put $50 in right now if we get 200 likes. A Robinhood listing has to be coming. I would just be absolutely over the moon with that. We would obviously just break right out of this bearish pull we're in. You don't have enough to burn to make a difference. Yeah, I feel like right now just overall buying pressure is better rather than burning. That's just me though. All right, 96 likes. Sounds like a plan. We're about to get there. Shiba done. It's hyped on fake news. It's not sold. My pops messaged Robinhood for Shib and they said by tomorrow it's on. Hey, don't say that unless you're gonna provide some real receipts with some verifications. If you do have real receipts, definitely email them to me at financeprobrand@gmail.com. All right, here we go. Thank you guys for the likes. I'll buy some Shiba now. Dang, down 13% on the day. I was gonna buy the dip anyways, so all right. $50. I'm still up a ton on my initial investment. I'm gonna title it "Let's Keep That Support." There you go. All right, but LO, I'm hoping you have some money. That's why I like your show. I do have some money. I just can't be putting it all into Shiba. I got bills and everything. I got things I got to pay for, but I do have a daily amount that I put into Shiba, and then anything I do on the live stream is just extra. People are dumping Shiba. It's over, bro. Keep coins on exchange. So I'm sure people were saying, hey, it's over for Dogecoin when they went down to, let's go to 3 months ago. I'm sure people were saying Dogecoin was over when they hit 1987. They went right back up to 0.34 at one point, I believe. I can't really see if that's... Yeah, I mean, they literally had more than 50% in gains. So, like, and this is Dogecoin without much volume at all. Like, Shiba Inu Coin has a whole, like, army behind it, and we're still fresh. So, like, you know, just saying it's over, that's a little bit you know, that's a little bit... How do you say that? I don't know. You guys know what I'm trying to say. Seeing 4K less in my Shiba wallet hurt, TBH. Will you be shorting Shiba? Why would I ever short Shiba? I just put $50 into Shiba. I want to see Shiba do well. I would never short Shiba. Can you short Shiba? Can you short cryptos? I'm sure there's a way to short like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I don't know if you can short Shiba. Not even close to being over. Look how many holders we have. I know we have like 900,000 holders. Let's see if any of the news pages are saying anything. Obviously, they probably wouldn't say anything about any bad news. Justin, Shiba's past 900,000 holders. We already knew this, so this guy's kind of late. A lot of people shorting Shiba, saw them up there. Alright, well, send the link to where you've seen that, because I don't even think you can short Shiba. Yes, premature, Jesus. Basically, I've seen what's been going on with Shiba today, and it kind of has me shook, guys. It's got me shook a little bit. No, this is the timeline that for the support and the resistance that I use is the timeline. I mean, it's looking like we've broken support. So, yeah. Dell Crypto also said this was happening in the stock market as well. What? You can short Shiba. How do you short Shiba? Like, is a bank letting you do this? Is a brokerage? Is Fidelity letting you short Shiba? Like, what brokerage is letting you short Shiba? What exchange is letting you short Shiba? Because shorting isn't selling and then buying back. Shorting is borrowing shares, you know, that you will eventually give back. I'm a newbie, so any suggestions on how many coins to hold at a time? Whatever you want. See, this is why we never tell you guys, hey, put 50% of your bank account into Shiba. Like, only do what you're willing to lose. In crypto, that's how I do it. I basically say if I were to lose all of this, even in Bitcoin and Ethereum and every crypto I do, I say if I lose all of this, then I would be fine. And that's how I do it. False. That's leveraging. Shorting is not just selling and then buying back. That is not shorting a crypto. That is not shorting a stock. You borrow from a bank, a brokerage, or an exchange. You owe someone money if you short a crypto or a stock. You don't just sell it and then buy it back. That's just timing the market. No, shorting is not just buying low and or shorting is not just selling high and buying lower. Yeah, you should not put anything more than you are willing to lose into Shiba Inu Coin or Bitcoin and Ethereum, in my opinion. This could just... crypto, while I definitely do not think this way, a lot of people think with the mentality that this could be a fad and it'll be over in a few years. I don't think that way. But a lot of people think that way. So if that were to happen, you need to be prepared. You can't just have all of your eggs in one basket. That's why I have money allocated in stocks, crypto, and cash. And eventually I will have real estate as well. What's up with the clickbait titles? Robinhood did talk Shib. That's not clickbait, guys. Robinhood learn. Shib. They mentioned Shib. That's not clickbait. I don't care what you guys say. That's not clickbait. All I said was live news. We're talking live news, what's happening with Shiba Inu Coin, and Robinhood mentioned Shiba Inu Coin. So sorry if I seem a little bit on edge today. I've also not been having a great day. So, but yeah, I still want to come on here and talk to you guys about Shib and all of that. So short is you betting that a stock will go down, and if it does, you buy at that price, and the stock will go up. You have to buy at the high price. Exactly. There's an obligation to buy it. This is why a short squeeze can occur with like AMC, because all these different hedge funds and everything have the obligation to buy it. If you just sell your crypto, you don't have the obligation to then buy it if it does go up, and then obviously lose your money. What would have to happen for you to be really concerned about Shib dropping? Something about the fundamentals would have to change for me to be concerned about Shiba Inu Coin dropping, in my opinion. Say Shibarium was just not happening anymore, and then it comes out that Shiba Inu Coin actually did add coins to circulation. That would obviously also lead me to question what's happening with Shib. But just it dropping off a technical play, this is not this is nothing that scares me. It just leads me to believe that we can lose about 12 to 13% more before the hemorrhaging stops. It's okay. Non-YouTubers don't know what it's like to have people watch your videos. Clickbait is the norm in YouTube titles. Yeah, at the end of the day, you guys can talk about how some things are clickbait, but at the end of the day, I want to basically talk to you guys about all the latest stuff, and I want you guys to click and see all of our videos, because I think I can be beneficial to all of you, and I think I am. So if you guys don't like it, I'm sorry. Why is Coinbase saying Shiba is at 18 cents? Why is the lowest you see it going in the short term? My liquid is so the lowest I think I can see it going is to the 50 level. I think that's kind of where support will be found. However, say some catalyst happens right now, we could literally bounce off this. However, from a technical perspective, if no news comes out in the next couple of days, we have broken a support line, which is not good. Do we have any updates on Robinhood at all? So the only update from Robinhood comes with them mentioning it on their Instagram, and they just obviously want to talk about Shib, because if you go to Robinhood and their Twitter, sorry if that was loud. If you go to their Twitter account, it's literally just Shiba Inu comments on everything. Crypto like Shib. So like literally they can't. Their whole Instagram, Twitter account is just filled with Shib. So they obviously talked about it on their Instagram very briefly. But other than that, that's the only news on Shib for Robinhood. I watch a lot of crypto content on YouTube. You're in my top 3. You're straightforward, not scumbag sounding, and are down to earth, bro. I appreciate it, and I understand what you guys say with like the whole clickbait thing. But at the end of the day, we want you guys to be with us every day, and only if select number of you guys will be with us, unless obviously we title our YouTube things. Now, I try to never say anything that is untrue, but I try to make everything sound extravagant. So if that is clickbait to you guys, I'm very sorry, but I want to talk to you guys every day, and that's the way I am able to do it, in my opinion. Do you and your bro share the account? If so, do you guys split the profits? Is it 50-50? Yes, that's exactly how we do it. We've shared the account for the past year, and we are an LLC, if you guys were interested in that. It's not clickbait, it's marketing. Who's us? Me and my friend run this channel. If you're just coming off here, you've never seen our channel before. Basically, obviously, me and my friend put out 2 videos a day each, and yeah, so we both run this account. And yeah, basically I live stream. He is making a PC to stream off of, so soon he will also be trying to stream every day too. If content stays good, then followers will happen. Yeah, I don't think we need any advice on what we're doing. I think we're doing a pretty okay job. But yeah, I mean, I think our content is good. If you do too, then you can subscribe. If you don't think the content is good, then sorry, we disagree. November will make us millionaires 0.3. I mean that even depends. Like, so let's that was Kyle's title, right? Say you have $500,000 in Shiba Inu Coin. You don't think that Shib can make you a millionaire? Although it all depends on your perspective. Might sell, it's going to drop too far and back to nothing. You guys do it if you guys are very scared about this breaking the support, and obviously I already talked about it. Like, it can go back down to the 50 level. If you guys are scared about breaking that support, then do what you gotta do. But personally, I'm going to keep buying. It's already at 5.5 crashing down. I see 5.9. Yeah, maybe you guys got more updated stuff. I don't know. Would it be effective to 1-star review Kraken until they list? Thanks for the super chat. I don't know if that would be very effective. I want to see a push-up contest between you and your friend. I can tell you that I work out and he doesn't, so if that would tell you how it would go. Although I hope once we live together next year that he will start working out with me and my friend. He didn't even have to. Yeah, Alex, top. Obviously, like, what's it called? I don't want you guys to unsubscribe, because, like, why would I want you to unsubscribe? But sure, yeah, if you don't like it, sure, you can unsubscribe. Like, we don't need, like, negativity in the comment section. Like we can obviously be sad that Shib is breaking the support line, but if you guys if you just want to be negative and you want to if you want to sell and then also just kind of crap on me and Kyle all day, then sure, yeah, like, you don't have to come to these videos. I'm not making you come to these videos, but I mean, I'd love for you guys to be here if you guys want to, like, have a good time. So what's going on with Kraken? Kraken is just not ready, from what I have seen. Yesterday, 1 second, I'll pull up something. Yeah, it's like, basically, they're going to list it, but it's delayed. And we will provide updates via social media and blogs. So, like, basically, they're just not, they're not ready. Like, you can't just say, hey, we're gonna list Shiba Inu Coin if we get 2,000 likes on this post, then get 60,000 likes, and then expect it to be ready the next day. They got to go through, like, a whole review process, and obviously they say there's more work for us to do as they move through their listing review process. Not trying to be negative, but I'm keeping it real, just keeping it as real as you are, buddy. That's cool. I appreciate you being real. Thank you, Bill Skeen, for the $20. You guys can send messages with those. You can, like, ask us messages if you want. Thank you, though, for the $20. Just sub. Great job, bro. I appreciate you. Hey, if you guys don't like the titles, you guys can unsubscribe. I understand, but I love everyone who comes through these. I feel like we have really good chats, and I don't want you to unsubscribe. But if that's really what you feel like you have to do, that's okay. You guys are making a living doing a job. Sure, you got to market grab. Hey, I just want to say, hey, we're also in college. Like, I'm in a fraternity. Like, I'm really busy all day. I make these 2 videos. We film in 4K. I've literally switched my whole apartment around to make this set for you guys that I think looks better, and I've just been trying to increase the quality of content. And obviously when I see negativity and I've already been having a bad day, and I don't want you guys to see this as sympathy and like send me money and or like send super chats and all that. Like honestly, don't even send super chats right now. Like you do not have to, but like I've been having a bad day for multiple different reasons. So if some things are just piercing me a little harder than they normally do, that is why. But I love all the support that you guys give every time, and I get it. We're all probably sad. I mean, down 15% on the day. That's not good. We don't like to see that. But I try to keep a positive attitude for the most part, personally. Bro, you don't have to explain yourself whatsoever. You might as well stop trying. I don't really understand why I'm trying to explain myself to a bunch of the haters right now. I'm like I said, bad day. Normally it just bounces right off me, and I try to focus on the people who come through here every day and our community. These people in chat are awful. No, it's fine, guys. Like honestly, expected on a day where we're down 15%. Like I can just expect people just to panic and not really like us. That where we only make these videos. So yeah. You have a great voice and smile. Keep up the positivity. I appreciate that, guys. I'm not looking for any sympathy right now, by the way. I just want to explain to you guys my thought process. What nationality are you? Hyroot said, should I hold or sell? Personally, I'm holding. You can do what you got to do, though. What nationality are you? Look, the setup and everything you guys good. It's comfortable, professional, but a non-clickbait title doesn't need justification. If that makes sense. All right, yeah. I'm honestly, I'm gonna focus on. Okay, I think I need to put this in 30-second mode. It's going a bit too fast. Thank you for the super chat, by the way. Thank you for the super chat, Peters G's. Check the calculator of the token. It's now showing 500 trillion. Oh, really? That could be something that is calculator. All right, guys, I gotta put this in slow mode because I can't see any of your guys' stuff. I appreciate all the love today, guys. Mila Moore, keep up the good work, bros. Hodl, no worries. Shib Army just bought 300 more today at 62. Appreciate the super chat, Mila. And thanks, guys. Hey, I'm not trying to look for sympathy, by the way. So like, just don't even worry about it. We could just talk about Shiba Inu Coin. So, okay, wow. You're right. Thank you for pointing this out, whoever in the chat pointed this out. The Shib token is now at 549 trillion. It used to be at the 390 trillion from before, and now they have updated it as well. I kind of want to see if Shitoshi has commented on this. And so, all right. About 10 million a few days ago. You don't have to do to appreciate it. Okay, sorry. I was just reading all the chats. I'm really bad at like multitasking. But I want to see if he said anything about this. Yeah, Shitoshi still hasn't said anything about this. Basically, what happened, guys, if you guys want a little recap. So the circulating supply was that 390 trillion. I believe CoinGecko was actually the first one to upgrade that circulating supply, and that is why the market cap was bigger at CoinGecko before it was bigger on CoinMarketCap. And then obviously CoinMarketCap switched to circulating supply, and they basically, even though they had it verified, that was the thing that was weird, is they had it verified, but then they switched it and said, oh, we just lost these 150 trillion coins, and they basically said, oh, we just had the wrong number the whole time. The coins are computer errors. Shitoshi says that coins cannot be added, as that is impossible to do. So yeah, those are two things that could be both right. So the thing is possibly the 1 second. I'll get to your super chat in a second, Antonio. Possibly, what could have happened is no coins were added, and it was just some error, just like the guy at CoinMarketCap said. And it was always 450 trillion. And what Shitoshi could be saying is like, hey, you can't add from 390 to 550. However, they can just both be right, because maybe it was just 550 the whole time, which is kind of what it's looking like if now the Shiba Inu Coin calculator is also updating that, as well as CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. All right, so thanks for the super chat, Antonio. I own only 9 million Shib, but so what? I know I'll be rich in 5 years. There is no rush. I'll keep buying and holding. That's the thing, guys, is you guys have to be, we all have to be patient with this. Crypto is a very volatile game. It goes up, it goes down. We've been here before. Market corrections happen. GME, AMC, Doge pulled back before ripping. Just don't invest more than you're willing to lose. That's exactly my sentiment. Do not put anything more than you are willing to lose. And if that means that you have to pull some out that because you kind of regret putting so much in, then I understand. I'm never going to be someone to say, hey, you have to keep your money in this coin. Like, if you want to sell, you can sell. And I know that's not a popular thing with a lot of people who hodl. I mean, I'm hodling. I haven't sold a single thing. You guys can see on my public account. If selling, you'll stop having a heart attack. My brother has a deeper pockets than me and lost 14K today, and I'm still holding. Bye. You have 90 million shares. A bunch of transfers on Etherscan to Shib. Is CoinSquare a good listing for Shib? I don't even think I know what CoinSquare is. Look, there was a calculation error. There was always 550 trillion coins. Mathematically, there was one quadrillion coins created, 410 coins burned, and then 50 trillion went to India. So always 550 trillion coins in circulation. But that would also lead me to believe that no coins were ever burned, and we have confirmed burns to dead wallets. Obviously, yes. What that person just said makes a lot of sense. And also, I don't know why CoinMarketCap doesn't decide to update the holders. It's still from October 30th. That's a little bit weird. But yeah, so the first dead wallet, it was 41% of the total supply. So that would leave us with about 590. 5% was donated to India. So that would be 540. You're telling me that we still have 549 trillion in circulation when other people also have been burning the tokens? It doesn't really make too much sense. I would think this number is still wrong, but maybe it is supposed to be closer to a 530 trillion or something of that nature, because I know of people that have burned substantial Shib, and 41% of the supply is obviously out of the circulation, but I guess the 5. Okay, never mind, guys. Wait. The 5% went to India, and they could have just not, or that would still be in circulation. So only 41% should be out of circulation. So that would lead to about 5% of the circulating supply, or 4% being burned. So okay, that could actually make sense. But yeah, I guess it was just an error. And that is something that I said could be a possibility in previous videos that I've made on the circulation issue. But yeah, I mean, at this point, it's looking like everyone's updating it to 549 trillion, and that's looking like where it's at. Something that is good about this, thin air construction. I hope I said that in the right way. Whew, I feel like I've been talking at a million miles a minute. Thank you, everyone, for coming through, by the way. In Robinhood, if this is true. But there are tons of Shiba being burned every minute. I believe the numbers are way off. I don't have real numbers on. I can only see people on Twitter posting their ether scans of them burning it to a dead wallet. I don't have real concrete numbers on how much has actually been burned other than just the dead wallet. That's the thing. I wish we just had a second wallet that is I know we have another dead wallet that a lot of people are sending it to, but I wish that we just had one wallet where we tell people, hey, this is where you send your your Shiba to. So we have that one dead wallet, and then we just add up the other wallet to see how much we burned. And then it makes it easier for CoinMarketCap because they don't update this nearly often enough. And or their holders. Like literally, how have you not upgraded or updated the holders since October 30th? We already hit 900,000 and it's been literally 4 days. Shiba is now live on Robinhood. I'll believe it when I see it, brother. Even me just saying that, because I know it's not true, is like, why'd I even say it? They would have tweeted if it was live on Robinhood. Sorry that I read that, guys. It's probably not true. Although I'll check my phone real quick. I have Robinhood on my phone. I think all the YouTubers need to start doing this, saying that the wallet address and then what they are to let everyone know. We're angry because Shiba does not respond to people's trust and respect for us and does not burn even a single token. He does not answer. We all leave him. Who are you talking about specifically? Because even if you're talking about, say, Satoshi, like, one second, I'm going to check if the crypto's on here. Yeah, Shiba's not listed. I don't know why I read that. If you're talking about Satoshi Kusama, he's a volunteer. So, like, you can be mad at him all you want, but he could say tomorrow, hey, I'm out. Like, I'm not volunteering anymore. Like, and Shiba Inu never promised any burns. They're doing their best with their Shiboshi game coming out. Shibarium's not going to burn anything, but their Now Payments sponsorship and their Shopping.io sponsorship to burn as much as they can. It's just like at this point, a lot of retail people have their money in Shib. Traded my Ethereum for more Shiba, and I'm starting to regret it. Makes sense. You're going to jail tonight. What for? What are you going to jail tonight for? Dell Crypto has said this many times that they're clear market manipulation. While I do love Dell Crypto, I think he's a great source of information. Sometimes he hasn't been right all the time. I will say that, but I mean, I do respect his relentlessness with Robinhood and everything. Dell Crypto said, in my opinion, these are the type of things that a company does when they want to begin hyping up the rollout of their new crypto offerings, building momentum via online advertising textbook. So yeah, that is something that that's a good thing to point out. What do you think of Jasmine? It's been trending on Twitter a lot. That's a good thing to point out, though, is that they have been kind of very active on Twitter and Instagram. And they even mentioned Shib on their Instagram today. That is something they don't want to just like out of the blue say, hey, we're listening to Shib. You know, they're going to kind of warm people up to it. So, I mean, hopefully in the next day or two, we get this Robinhood catalyst. We break out of this 15% downtrend, 17% downtrend, huge candlestick that we're in right now. Like I said, we could be going to 50 right now, guys. It's just it's a sad truth. Or even about the 48 area. 49, sorry. People, why you invest if it gets you angry and worried? Chill and make moves or be patient. Let's just accept our loss as Shiba is going down. We hyped it up so much, but it's dying. If you want to accept that, you can accept that. I'm not going to accept that, though. Personally, I'm up on my investment. If it just goes back down to my initial investment, I'm not mad about it. However, I think it will. This is just a minor setback, in my opinion. A very minor setback. Tell him Henchman. What did Henchman say? Buy the dips. When should you use a cold wallet for crypto? It's really up to you. Why is Shib dropping? Shib is dropping off a clear technical play. Just like I told you guys, there's a support here at 60, 61-ish area. And as soon as we broke that, obviously that's that. A lot of people are probably in streams just like right now. and are just panicking. Got paper hands, as they say. I've got diamond hands. 48 to 50 seems like a great buying opportunity. I agree. Hey guys, take it this way. We're gonna get back up to all-time highs, and we are gonna. Jesus. I don't know if you guys heard that, but my roommate just slammed the door. Maybe he's mad that I haven't taken my laundry out yet. Well, I'm on stream with 1,900 viewers, so I think you guys, they can wait. Sorry. What was I even talking about? I don't know. I have diamond hands, personally. I'll buy more right now. If we get to 400 likes, I'll buy $25 more worth. I don't want to do another 50, bro. Yeah, I'll do $25 more if we get to 400 likes. And then if we get to 500 likes, I'll do 25 more. So 50 total. If we hit 400 likes, I'll do $25. If we hit 500 likes, I'll do 25 more. And that's going to be it. No, like, yeah. $100 for one stream is enough. And you guys do not have to super chat me for it, okay? Like, don't feel bad. Do not feel bad. And whenever I say you do not have to super chat me, people super chat me, I like literally mean it. Okay, guys. Look up. What's the update about increased supply and market cap and even on Shiba Inu calendar? We went over that. You guys can go back in the stream if you guys are interested. Oh, wow. We already hit 500 likes. What did I expect? We have like literally 2,000 people in here. All right, whatever. I want to help out the Shib army as much as we can, so... No, I'm not going to post. I'm going to buy some Shib. I'm just doing one transaction. Yeah, this is Northern Motors. You're pretty much right. This is the time to shake out weak hands. Like, a lot of people are clearly only in this to make a very, very short-term profit. Like, very short-term. Personally, I'm in it to make massive profit long-term. So it going from basically going down like 40% in the matter of a week or two. Obviously, I'm going to keep on to my thing and just add more. Like, I'm actually pretty excited to add more at this 54 level. I think that I'm going to be more excited to add more at the 49.50 level. But I mean, like, I'm chilling with adding another $50 here. There you go. How can you believe that this is the end of Shib? It's an ugly correction, yes, but the end? Come on. I agree. Thank you guys we just crossed 2,000 viewers. Really appreciate you guys. Yeah. Oh, this is a way to help them out. If you guys want a way to obviously help me out and help yourself out, if you guys use this first link in the description of this video, the first link in the description, you deposit $1 on public, you're gonna get up to $70 worth of free stock. Now that's up to, you're not gonna get $70 every time, but you're gonna be able to sell that stock. Are you able to sell it right now? You might have to wait till tomorrow to sell it, but you're gonna be able to sell that stock, and then you can buy Shiba Inu Coin with the money you get. And all it takes is $1, and usually you get between $5 and $10. Sometimes I've gotten $42 once, I've gotten $50 once, and you can literally put that into Shiba Inu Coin. Now, if you've already done it, it's chilling, or if you don't want to do it, you don't want to put $1, go through all the hassle, you do not have to. But if you guys want to get some free stuff, go ahead and use that first link. Yeah, easy way to get some free Shib in my opinion. But yeah. Dang, my Solana is climbing, but I'm tempted to transfer money into Shiba dip. Hey, you do what you want, bro. You do what you want. That's the thing is, okay, also guys, I don't want you guys to think that I only invest in Shiba Inu Coin. But while I am sad that Shiba Inu Coin is down, and obviously it's become a bigger part of my crypto portfolio, I still own Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Shib obviously, and then also Polygon and Algorand. So I own a lot of different cryptos, so it's not like I'm down 17%, and I'm sure that a lot of people that are in Shiba Inu Coin, that's their only crypto. So I feel a lot worse for you guys personally that have lost, 21% today, and that was a big candlestick that we just dropped. But yeah, I feel a lot worse for you guys. I have a pretty diverse crypto portfolio. Finally dip until Shib, Pluto. Solana, final dip until she goes to Pluto. Solana will have a meeting 7-11 November, hold Solana. I remember being in Doge and the chart doing the same thing. I panicked and sold. Less than 2 days later is the biggest regret of my life. Yeah, that's the thing, is that happens to a lot of people. They they say they see this big drop in Shib, and obviously they want to sell at 20% losses, and it makes sense. I understand, but the real investors who actually make money in the market add on these dips, especially if you believe in it. If you don't believe in Shib in the first place, I understand why you're going to paper hand this and sell when it's down this much. But for someone like me who's done so much research on this, it's just kind of easier for me to hold it personally. But I would understand if you're just in this for like the quick cash grab, why you would sell it. I would understand that. Massive bounce incoming. Didn't this happen before the Coinbase listing? We were still making videos before that. Yeah. Like obviously, Shib after their initial run up, they sold off massively, and it was probably people taking profits and all that. And this kind of looks similar to our. If you guys look down here, this looks very similar to our current situation, where they sold off at this little part right here. They sold off, and then we kind of just consolidated for a few months. Now, I hope we don't consolidate for another month before we have our next, big breakout. But, it is a possibility we just consolidate for a while, and that's why I'm in it for the very, very, very long term. John, I'm scared. I understand why you'd be scared. I can totally understand. All right, guys, I have a proposition for you. Actually, yeah, all right. Okay, if you guys get the stream to 1,000 likes by 4, which is when I'll end it, I'll put another $50 into Shib. Oh, God. That's a lot of money. Whatever. I own 160 million coins. Thank you, Paul, for the super chat. I own 160 million coins. I'm not selling until after Robinhood adds it to their platform. Almost 500,000 people have petitioned to add it on change.org. Oh yeah, for Robinhood, yeah. Robinhood's going to list it. It's just a matter of time. Obviously, Robinhood has said in the past that they're just a little bit wary of the SEC. However, they already have 7 crypto, so I feel like they are going to list it. But yeah, I agree. I think they're going to list it. But yeah, so you guys got 12 minutes to get this stream to 1,000 likes. I'll add $50 more, and that is it. That is it. No more deals after that. I think I said that last time too, though, so who knows. It's actually a good thing people are panic selling. Hey, I'm happy that I get to add at this. I'd honestly rather add at 50 and 48, like that support line. But you can never be perfect with it. You can never actually find the bottom perfectly. So I'm loving adding right here. So you're asking what happened with Kraken. Basically, Kraken just wasn't ready. What a lot of people like to point out is that with Robinhood, 686,000 followers, that's a ton, right? But with Kraken, I mean, Kraken has 927,000 followers. They only have 7 million active users. Robinhood has 31 million active users. So obviously Robinhood is on the App Store. They get a lot more publicity from different areas. But Kraken has a big following. So this would have been a great catalyst. And they just weren't ready like they said. They just said, hey, there's more work for us to do moving through our listing review process. So they're trying to get it listed. And obviously if they said they would lift Shib tomorrow, they've got to be ready to list it soon. So hopefully this is a catalyst that can help us bounce once again. Do Do you personally think it'll rise again, or how do you feel about the whole thing? Oh, of course, yes, I think it'll rise again, but we just might find support until we get that Robinhood listing, until we get that Kraken listing. We just you can't stay at these levels without news every day. And for the past obviously for the past few days, there just has been a lot of speculation, and when the speculation doesn't hit, obviously people get a little sad. And yeah, I think we'll find support at around the 50 area, and then as soon as we get one of these Kraken or Robinhood listings, I think we'll bounce back up, probably to the 60 and 75 area, and just bounce between there again. It's kind of what I think will happen. If you guys aren't aware of the deal, if you guys get this stream to 1,000 likes in the next 10 minutes, then I will drop another 50. And I've already dropped $100 in this stream on Shiba. So yeah, definitely going to lose money on this stream, but it's okay. You do not have to super chat or anything of that nature. It is totally good. The ads will help out a little bit, but if you guys weren't aware, we don't get paid out AdSense till like a month and a half after we do things. So does this like count too? I'm sure we'll get to 1,000 likes in 9 minutes. I believe in you guys. Jesus, what's wrong with me today? I don't know. Let's go over the last. Let's check out these Shib Twitter accounts, see what they're saying. Here's 2 more. Appreciate everyone. By the way, I appreciate everyone for coming through, hearing me out. Just talking today. Obviously, it's not under good circumstances, but this really shows how strong our community is, and I hope that I see a lot of you guys as kind of like friends, honestly, like that come through here every day. So thank you guys so much for coming through. So what happens after Robinhood listing? I think we go past all-time highs. I think we delete a zero after Robinhood listing, personally, and I think people will start FOMOing in just like Dogecoin, and we'll reach a $70 billion market cap just like Dogecoin did, and even go past it. But obviously it needs to happen first. Oh, we hit 1,000 likes. Thank you guys. All right, cool. Did I say fit? We still have 8 more minutes. I said 50, right? And don't swindle me. How much did I said 50. I honestly forgot at this point. What did I actually say? How much did I say I would invest? Because I forgot. Bruno said, watch your videos daily. Appreciate you. Buy the other 50, son. It was 50, right? Appreciate you, Terrence Davis, for the $4. 50K? $500? 75? $1,000? 50? 500? You said 50. Okay, I know I wouldn't have said $500 because I'm not balling out like that at the moment, but okay, so 50. All right. So that's a total of 150 invested today. I mean, this is good for me. I'm going to be making money off of this, but a little cash poor, a little crypto rich at the moment. All right, why did I invest? I invested because Shib is going to the moon. Thank you guys for getting the stream to 1,000 likes. I really appreciate you guys for that. There you go, post. Buy or sell Shiba. I just bought $150 with Shiba in this live stream, so if that makes sense. You're saying when Robinhood lists Shiba, it will go past $1. No, I did not say that. I did not say that it would go past $1. I think it will delete a zero, so that would be 100% in gains. And then I think people will FOMO in, and then in the coming weeks after that, I think we will eventually get to about a $70 to $80 billion market cap. Yeah, $1 is definitely out of reach. Someone say something about slow mode. Slow mode is on. Did you invest in Saitama from your Saitama video? Did I say I would invest? Honestly, today has been a really crazy day. Did I say that I would invest in Saitama? Because that's going to be even more that I got to invest. How do you calculate how much it'll gain if it hits highs? Anyone know? $1,000. Just bought $100 of Shib. I know Shib is going up. Panic selling. Hold for a while. I feel like this is a very good place to buy at personally. But honestly, the best place would be at the 50 level. But then sometimes you just obviously miss it, and then obviously sometimes it just bounces back up, and then you miss this opportunity. So yeah, I'm glad I bought. We're way in oversold territory. We're at a 2020. Or we're at a 20 RSI, which is very, very much oversold. Yeah, there is a lot of FUD scaring people at the moment. That is very, very much a true thing. Shiba going down, damn, yeah. That's why I wanted to come on here today. And obviously, Shib wasn't going down this much when I made the title. Or else I probably would have made the title buying the dip like I did the other day. Oh, we're almost at 2,500 concurrent viewers. I don't think we've ever done that. That would be awesome. Will it come close to a penny soon? My prediction is late next year for a penny, sadly. If you're scared to hold Shib, right now is the best time to get into Shib. Oh, we hit 2,500 concurrent viewers. Thank you guys so much. We have about 4 more minutes. So if you guys have any last questions, go ahead and ask them. The chat is going at a very insane rate. If you guys want to comment, by the way, you have to subscribe if you weren't aware. I bought at the highest point, which was a few days back. What should I do? Whatever you feel. Do you think it'll dip below 20 on October 23rd when I bought the second? We'll trade Pokemon cards for Shib. Ooh, I do love Pokemon, but I've never gotten really into cards. Did you see that the wallet that turned $8,000 into $5.7 billion now has taken control of his dead wallet and now owns 16% of the market cap? How can you take control of a dead wallet? With the dead wallet, it's supposed to be literally not accessible anymore. What are you most excited about for the projects Shiba is bringing? I'm personally most excited about Shibarium, which is going to be the blockchain that they are creating. I think that is going to really bring a lot of people that think this is just a meme coin back into the equation. I think a lot of people that are selling now are definitely going to be extremely pissed that they sold at the 55 area when we're going to be deleting zeros as soon as that blockchain comes out. And then also the Shiboshi's game is going to be really cool, and they're going to be implementing burns in there. So I really like that as well. Why don't you cover Leash and Bone, same project? Some people when I cover Leash and Bone, they say that it's just taking away from Shib. So that's kind of what I don't want to do. However, we did make a Saitama video, and that's what and it got some good traction. So if you guys want me to make videos on Leash and Bone, I'll do it. Get out now. What a loser. He has paper hands. Look at him. He has paper hands. No, I'm kidding. I don't want to call anyone a loser. Oh, it wasn't dead. He was active on it and now sent it to 4 addresses. Oh, yeah. I did see that. I did see that. Yeah, that was just probably you messing up the words a little bit. All chilling. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. If you guys are interested in getting some free Shib, then go ahead and use the first link in the description. Deposit $1 on Public. You'll get up to $70 worth of free stock. You can then sell that stock tomorrow morning whenever the market is live, and then you're able to use that balance to actually buy Shib. So that is the way to get some free Shib. Obviously, it takes a little bit of work, but you'll get anywhere from like $5 to $70. Personally, I've gotten $50 once, $42 another time when I used to not have an affiliate. Thanks Sam Edinger for the $5 super chat. Appreciate you being a channel member also. Hold on people, we ain't scared. Exactly. This is a perfect time to get in my opinion. But yeah, make sure you guys use that public link if you guys want some free Shib in the first link in the description. We'll be alright. I'll be back tomorrow with more content on Shiba Inu Coin, giving you guys the latest news. Thank you guys all so much for coming through. It's been a really good stream, even though obviously we broke a support and it's not a very happy time. You guys still came through here and we're awesome. So thank you guys all so much for coming out. Paper hands is when you decide to sell your coin. when you decide to basically sell. When everyone else with diamond hands hold on and then reap the rewards of getting the gains. But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming through. It's been a really awesome stream. Thank you everyone who super chatted, and anyone who came through here. But yeah, I appreciate everyone for coming through. Probably just repeating myself at this whole time, but I like the stream to end at an hour exactly.